Welcome to the Barbecue Walk of Flame, and to my subscribers, nice to have you back. Now, when I decided to make Scotch eggs, I was faced with a bit of a conundrum. Do I make the traditional style coated in breadcrumbs, or do I paint them with barbecue sauce? Well, I just couldn't make up my mind. So I'm making one with a crispy bite to it, and the other one with a sweet, tangy taste. Now these are really easy to make, so let's get started.
First, wet your hands, and then sprinkle a little water onto a board or work surface. With wet hands, work and flatten 250 grams of sausage meat into a fairly thin rectangle. Now I'm adding some crumbled black pudding, just to give another dimension to the flavour. If you don't like black pudding, then simply leave it out. With the sausage meat rectangle in the palm of my hand, I'm placing the hard-boiled egg in the centre and wrapping the meat all around the egg, working it with my hands, closing any gaps and making sure there are no holes, and the meat totally encases the egg. And to finish off, roll it around until you have a nice smooth ball. For the Scotch egg to be coated in breadcrumbs, first roll it around in some flour until it is completely coated. Then dip it into a basin of beaten egg, once again making sure it's all coated. I'll just wash my hand before moving it into a bowl of toasted breadcrumbs. Lots of crumbs to give that little bit of crunch. One naked Scotch egg and one coated are going into the fridge.
These need to be in the fridge for at least an hour, or better still, an hour and a half. This allows them to firm up.
Out of the fridge, they're all ready for the barbecue. At the barbecue, turn the main burner on full to cook with indirect heat. Add a few beechwood pellets to the smoker pot. A quick look at the thermometer, and when there's smoke, we're ready to go. I'm cooking on a vegetable tray lined with a non-stick mat. These eggs need to be turned frequently to ensure even cooking. After 20 minutes, it's time to paint the naked Scotch egg with my Lipsmakin barbecue sauce. Even if I do say so myself, this sauce is a work of art. After 5 minutes, they're done. And there you have two different Scotch eggs, which can be eaten hot or cold. With a crispy green salad, they make the perfect light barbecue lunch. Halved or quartered, a delicious starter, or just a tasty snack.
So which one came out on top? Well, I'm still waiting for the feedback from the household management. But in my opinion, it's a dead heat. They're both different and they're both delicious. Now, if you'd like to know what's next on my barbecue, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment. Simply click the button below and you'll be among the first to know. Well, that's all for now, folks. So it's goodbye from me and thanks for watching.